model, 63-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 Cdi medium wheelbase, fridge van spares or repairs needs work. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 332,720. MOT, the 3rd of April 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohms 651,129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 1 replacing and the turbo oil seals have worn. This Sprinter will need a bit of mechanical TLC to get back into tip-top condition. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.